Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you some ways to fix notes unavailable on Instagram. Instagram notes are a feature released in 2022 that allows you to display short messages in other people's inboxes for 24 hours. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is how to use Instagram notes. Instagram notes are available on both Android and iPhone but not on desktop and web apps. For this, open the Instagram on your device and head over to your DM. You should see your profile picture on the top with the plus icon and other people's profiles with their respective notes. Next, tap on the note icon to open the notes tab. From here, you can write a note up to 60 characters or less. And then finally press share and your note should now appear at the top of the list. And you are done. And the next step is why are Instagram notes not working? Many things can interfere with the working of Instagram notes, especially the app version. However, other small issues can also create problems as they can easily go unnoticed. So the first step is check if it's an ongoing issue. Instagram is updated and maintained regularly. Sometimes a recent update can break some features. Look online if other people are experiencing if the bug is similar issues or if the bug is officially acknowledged. And you are done. And the next step is try creating a close friend list. For this, open the Instagram and tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the three-line menu. Next, scroll down and choose the option Close Friends. Next, tap on Get Started and select the users you want to add as close friends. And then tap on Done. And you are done. And the next step is update your app. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone and then go to the search bar and search for Instagram. See if the app needed to be updated. Then tap on update now and update the latest version of Instagram and you are done. And the next step is enable activity status. For this, open the Instagram app. Then go to your profile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now search for activity status. And then enable show activity status. Try going to your inbox once again and see if notes are now visible and working. And you are done. The next step is switch to a professional account. Many Instagram users have related issues root back into not being a professional account. For this, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile menu. Next, tap on the three line. Next, search for switch to professional account. Tap on it. Next, tap on continue. Once finished, check if the notes option is now working. If it is, then you can try switching back to personal account to see if it is now working there as well. And you are done. The next step is reinstall the app. Go to your home screen and hold the Instagram icon for a menu appear. Then choose remove app. Next, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm. And after deletion, go to App Store and reinstall the Instagram app once again and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of notes unavailable on Instagram, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.